Then, so, good morning to you, wherever you're watching me from. This is my streets vlog, like I named it. My streets vlog. I'm somewhere in Benue State. I'm somewhere in Boko, Benue State. Now I just left my hotel to go look for something to eat. As you can see, I'm descending the hill. Look at the middle. I'm descending the hill. Just, I'm hungry right now. I've not eaten my breakfast this morning, so I'm going out to go eat local food. We call it, what do you call it? We call it akpukpa and beer. That's English name. They call it native bread. They call it native bread. So I'll go eat something. Bye bye, Yena. So thank you. So I'll just go look for that what to eat. I ate it the other day. It was so fine. I enjoyed it. So that's where I'm going. Should I eat swallow? It's too early for me to eat swallow. I'll eat swallow later. Let me just. Can you know, Malu? Can you read it? Yeah. Thank you. Nam akbu moga. Nam akbu hindi nam chema waiwe. Nga kwa shun kwa mona. Dan hindi nam kila nam gishema nune. Kila tata. Thank you. Good morning. How are you? If you are new here, you're welcome. I want to eat some here where I want to eat. Still on my street view. I'm eating on the street. For me to show you that I'm eating on the street, can you see? Just sitting across. Yeah, I speak English. Yeah, I speak English. Welcome, subscribe. And Candy, I speak English. Alright, I speak English. Don't think that I only speak